The next question is from GATE 2005, and it says that consider the following code segment, and if fork is exactly equal to 0, then a is equal to a plus 5. Then we have a printf statement, and %d, %p, a, n at the rate a. It is printing address of a. Okay, it is printing address of a. Else a is equal to a minus 5 and %d, %p, a, n at the rate a. Let u and v be the value printed by the parent process. Okay, u and v is for the parent process, and x and y be the value printed by the child process. Okay, child process, then which one of the following is true? Okay. So u is equal to x plus 10, u is equal to v, y, u is equal to x plus 10, v is not equal to y, u is equal to u plus 10 is equal to x, and v is equal to y, u plus 10 is equal to x, and v is not equal to y. Okay, now let's try to solve this particular problem, and let's concentrate on this fork part, which will return here only. It will return to this statement only, and we know that for the child process this fork statement prints what? Returns what? It returns 0, right? For child process, for the child process x, this will return 0, and it will check if 0 is exactly equal to 0, which is true, right? Which is true. Then it will execute a is equal to a plus 5. Let me take a value of a is equal to 10, and it will print the value a is equal to 15. And then it will print the value 15, and whatever the address of a it will print. Suppose let's have a address as a value is 10, and the value here in this case is, let's say, 1000. It will print 1000. Now if it is in the child process, in that case a value here will be still 10, right? A value will be still 10 over here, and this fork statement in the we are done with this parent part. The fork statement in exactly equal to 0, this will return 1 to the parent process, and it will check 1 is exactly equal to 0, and that is false, right? And if it is false, then it will go to the else part. And what will happen in else part? Else part will have a is equal to a minus 5, and that will become 5, right? 5. So when they print the statement, it will print 5 and the address of 5, which is 1000. So now my answer is there, 5. Child process is printing 15 and 1000, and parent process is printing 5 and 1000. Now so x is 5, and u is x is 15, and y is so u is 5. So first of all, u and y are equal because both are printing the address. So either this a is true or c is true. Now here in this case is what? X is equal to u plus 10, I can say, right? With this, and that goes with option C, u plus 10 is equal to x and v is equal to y. Okay, so answer for this question here in this is, answer is C. Okay, let's go to the next part, and this is your question that you need to solve at home. Okay, this is a homework problem, and it says that this, and we have a fork, and then we have a fork, the entire and or operator used here in this case. A lot of fork are there, and the question is that printf forked, and how many times how many process will spend after executing the above program. Okay, so it is about number of process, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session of problem solving using fork statement. This is really challenging problem, but for the time being, that's all for this discussion. Thank you.